What is up, guys, and welcome back. So now in this video we'll be reviewing all the things, okay, that comes in the product tab. Okay, so we're gonna review all these right here, okay, and then we'll move forward. Okay, so let's just add a product right here. I'm going to add the zipper hoodies. Okay, I'm just gonna come here, I'm just gonna search for zipper hoodies. Okay, and then here I also want two options to select if you want it for men or if you want it for women. So I'm also going to show you how this is going to work. Basically, I'm going to show you how variable products work, and we will also be reviewing them. Okay, so let's just come here. Let's just add the alarm Ipsum text. So I'm just going to go to ellipsum.com/feed/html, and I'm going to copy all of the thing from here. Okay, let's just copy. Let's just come here and let's paste it in the long description, and then let's come here and let's paste a sum in the short description. So I'm just gonna come here, I'm gonna drag it from here till here. Okay, I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna hit this. So here we have the short long description, and then we have the short description. And now here, the most important thing starts. So what we have to do is that we need to add an image. We'll be adding this later on. Okay, but first, let's just come here and let's look at these things. Okay, so basically, this is called the regular price. This is called the sale price. You guys already know about it. You guys also know about it, the virtual and the downloadable. Okay, and then we have the tax status. So if you want this product to be non-taxable, so that if we add it into the cart, then the tax will not be applied. Okay, so tax will be applied to shipping only, and tax will be applied to none. So you can just select it that if someone buys this product, we will not charge him the tax. So you can just click here. Okay, and on clicking this none, we don't have to select any of the tax class. Okay, so tax class is the standard that we chose in here. If I just go to settings right here, okay, and then I go to the shipping, the tax one, and then you can see that we added class basically. Okay, if I just go to text right here, then you can see that we have just right this. So this is the one that is this shipping tax class, and this is just set to standard, and this is standard rate. So that is why this is coming. If we add more class, like for different type of things, like for mobile phone, there should be more tax. So we can create a shipping class for mobile, specific mobile, and for mobile it would charge them like 20%, and for just normal shirts it would charge them for 15%. So you can create a classes like this. Okay, now let's come here and let's go to the inventory. Okay, this is called the most important thing. Okay, I showed you how the stock status work. Okay, this is called basically stock keeping unit. Okay, this is unique. Okay, you can assign it to any product. So since this is the zipper hoodies, I'm just gonna go ahead, I'm gonna hit zipper hoodies. Okay, and this is the then you can add a color like zipper hoodie red, okay, or something like that. So you can see that this is now I have given a short name or a short ID to a specific product. I cannot edit this one to any other product, so I have given a short ID. Now how this will work is that if this product is low on stock, then it will give me this ID. What I can do, I can just copy this ID, I can go to all products, okay, and then what I have to do, I have to paste that ID in the search so that it just grab the post, it just grabs that from that ID, that specific ID. You can see filter products by category, filter products by product type. Okay, and then here in the search type, I'm just gonna paste that category, paste that code basically, which is this. Okay, and then it's gonna grab that code, that product, and then it's gonna give me, you can see this is the ID, but we are assigning it a letter based ID. Okay, so this is how it works. Now we have the managed stock. Okay, so you guys already know about the managed stock. I have 20. Okay, now we have the back orders. What is this? If I just bring my mouse here, let's see. If managing stock, this controls whether or not back orders are allowed. If enabled, stock quantity can go below 0. Okay, how this will work, if that's if your stock is like out of stock, okay, and then back orders is allowed, then people can still buy from your site. And I would recommend you not to check this, because why would you allow them to buy if your product is not in stock? Okay, so this is really very important. Do not allow this. Okay, you can also choose it to be like allow but notify customer that we are low in stock. We don't know if we get the product or not. Okay, so if we do not get the product, we will refund your amount, so something like that. Okay, but I will be just choosing do not allow. We will just update it if we have more products. Okay, so now we have sold individually. What this means is that a person cannot buy two products at once. Okay, so he cannot buy two quantities. Okay, so if I just check it, the person won't have the option to choose like he wants two products. Okay, so he just have to buy it only one. So you can call it like one single item per single user. Okay, this is what I mean. Then we have the shipping. So we have the weight kg. Like if you charge on a weight basis, then you can select that this is 2 kg. So 2 kg would be applied. Then we have the dimensions. So if you have like a big product, you can charge them more for that. So you can just choose it in the shipping tab. If I just go to WooCommerce and then I go to settings right here. Okay, and then I go to shipping right here. So in the shipping, I can just tell them. Okay, if I just edit this one right here, then you can see that we have this right here. Okay, I can just come here, I can edit it, and you can see that the cost is right here, everything is right here, and calculation is everything is right here. So you can just change them, anything. Okay, we have this is the shipping cost, this is the medium products, this is the cost that we have here. Okay, so quantity number, the cost, minimum fees and maximum fees and everything. So then we have the product shipping class right here as well. Okay, you can go with medium products, minimum products. Okay, and then we have the shipping options and everything right here. So you can basically control everything from here. Okay, if I just go to manage shipping methods. Okay, and then I come here and I just add a shipping method. Okay, and that is going to be local pickup, free shipping. So I can also add the free shipping, local pickup, and everything from here. I'm just gonna come here, I'm gonna hit edit, and you can see that this is the cost and this is like this is the calculation type. Okay, so this is how it works. I'm just gonna come here and you can see these are the shipping class. So I can select expensive products, I can select medium products, and they're gonna charge them more. So this is what I'm talking about. Okay, now we have the link products. Okay, how this link product is gonna work, I'm gonna tell you later on. Okay, when we will be doing the checkout. Okay, what is upsell? Upsell means that if we just go to this product, then it's gonna show some related products below down. So this is called upsell, and the cross sells mean that if a product is added to the cart, yes, if a product is added to the cart, then in the cart it will show them that you might also like section where people can also buy related products from them. So you can just go with this link products. They help a lot. They help a lot. If you want your customers to buy more, you can add the link products, and most of the companies uses this strategies. Even Amazon, if you just go to Amazon right here, okay, and then we open up any of the products, and then in the below section it's gonna tell us. So if I just open up Blue EAD, okay, if I just open up this right here, and then I open up this, okay, if I just open this up, I'm just gonna go down. You can see frequently bought together. This is called cross sell, and this is called basically cross sell, and this is called upsell. Okay, so you can also create a group product, and then you can add it in the crop sell. I'm also going to show you how you can create group product. This is basically the group product. Okay, so I hope that everything is understandable to you. Okay, and this is called the upsell. So you can see sponsored more products related to this item. Okay, so this is how it works. So in the next, so now we have the next section, and that is the attributes and the advanced. Okay, so the advanced section is like this. You can send a purchase note to the customer that we have got your order, and your order is being processed. And if you need anything else, you can message us, you can contact us, you can email us. Okay, and then we have the menu order, so custom ordering position. So like how it will work is that you can just go with the sorting of the product, and then in the sorting it's going to show that. And then we have the last one, and that is the enable reviews. So this should be checked, because why you want to disable the reviews? Every product has the every website uses the reviews. Okay, you can see Amazon also uses. So what I'm going to do right now, we are going to basically understand variable products right now. So if I just go ahead, I just add a product image. Okay, I'm just going to add a product image right now. Okay, let's grab a product image. I'm just gonna go to pixabay.com and then I'm gonna grab the hoodie one. So let's just search for hoodie. Okay, and we need a full hoodie. So this is the zipper based hoodie. This one, yes, zipper hoodie. Okay, I'm just gonna come here. I'm just gonna grab this one. Okay, and then I'm gonna hit this download. So this is being downloaded right now. I'm just gonna come here. I'm gonna hit this and I'm gonna upload it. You can see this is uploaded. I'm just gonna hit set product image, and this is right here. Let's just publish this post, and let's just open this up. Okay, I'm just gonna hit view products right now, and you can see this is how it is. So we have zipper hoodies, we have this right here, and we have everything. Okay, but we cannot buy this. Okay, the reason is that I think we haven't added the product quantities, that how much product we have. So I'm just gonna come here, I'm gonna hit edit product, and I hope if that is set to, okay, we basically haven't added the price, so that is why the add to cart button is not right here. So I'm just gonna come here, I'm gonna add 25 bucks. Okay, and now I'm gonna hit update right now, and let's open this up. Okay, so this is how you can see that a product is looking. Okay, we have this, we have 20 in stock, and we have everything coming. Okay, if I just come here, I go down, and then I go to the shipping, oh sorry, inventory, and then I choose a 0 right here because we don't have anything in this stock. I'm just gonna update it, and I'm gonna come here, and I'm gonna hit refresh. Okay, I'm just gonna refresh this. Is it 8? Let's go down. Let's go to the inventory. Okay, I use the 8. Okay, I'm just gonna come here, I'm gonna hit 0, and I'm gonna update right now. So let's just come here and let's refresh this. You can see this is out of stock, and the add to cart button is not appearing. So this is how it works. Okay, I'm just gonna come here, I'm just gonna go down, and let's add some in the inventory. So because I want 25 in my stock. So now we will be talking about how variable product works. What is a variable product? Variable product is like if I am a guy, okay, then I want to select a men product, okay? And if I am a woman, then I'm gonna select that I want it for like for women, okay? Same like this. If I want the green color, I'll select green. If I want blue color, I'm gonna select blue. So we want to show the options, okay? So many of the websites uses this. Even eBay also uses this. Let me show you. Okay, I'm just gonna come here, I'm gonna hit this right now, and let's just search for hoodie. You can see these are related tags coming right here, and then if I open any of the hoodie right here, let's just open this one. Okay, here we go. You can see that we have color, okay, and then we have the size, and then we have the quantity. Okay, so this is how this type of works. So I want to add these type of options to my website. So how can people select the size? How can people select the color? Okay, so we'll be doing that in this video. Okay, so let's just come here and let's select it to be the variable product because we want to add the variations. Okay, and what is the variation? Variations are called basically them like that. The variable product is this. So if we select black, you can see the black is appearing, and if we select this to XXL, the price is also increasing. Okay, so we can vary the product from them. Okay, I'm just gonna come here, and first of all I have to come here to the attribute, sorry, the variations. Okay, the attribute, and then here I want to add the custom product attribute. Make sure that this is right here. I'm just gonna click add right now. Okay, and then here I'm gonna choose the name. So the name is going to be color. Okay, the color. And then we have use for variations. Make sure that this is checked so that we can go to the variations tab and we can add them in that like which color they want. So I'm just gonna hit this, and then we have the color. So first color is going to be blue. Okay, let's just choose the first color to be green. Okay, and then we have the blue. Okay, and then we have the gray. So make sure that you choose it like this. You have to add this separator to separate every of the category or the variation right here. So I'm just gonna hit save attributes right now. Okay, and then I have to go to the variations tab. Make sure to understand this, guys, because this is so easy, but I know it would be so confusing to you. Even it was confusing to me when I just started this plugin and I was just working with it. So that is why I'm telling you that you have to come up. So you have to just select, you have to click create variation from all the attributes, because we want to create the variation for this, and the main would be this. Okay, so I'm just gonna come here, I'm gonna hit to the variation, and then I'm gonna hit create variation from all the attributes. I can also select add a variation and I can hit go, but I need the variations from the attributes that we have added. So I'm just gonna hit go, and on clicking the go, it is showing that are you sure you want to link all variations? I'm gonna hit okay, I just want to add it. Okay, and you can see 3 variations has been added. So here would be the variations. I have green, blue, and gray. Okay, so first one is green, and the second one is blue, and the third one is gray. So I'm just gonna hit expand right now, and you can see everything is expanded. So I can also just click close, and I can expand it with myself with my mouse right here if I want to. But let's just come here and let's expand it individually. So here we have, like you can see that we have 3 separated products created, but they are now in here, so that person can select, and we can also change the product image for green color. We can also change the regular price for this color. We can also change the in stock, like we can also change that how many we have in stock. We can also change the weight and everything from here. Okay, so let's just come here, and you can also select manage stock, and this stock quantity will be right here. So I'm just gonna select the regular price from here. So for green, we would charge them $20. Okay, and for like, if I just click here, you can also change the image. I'm gonna show you how it's gonna work. Okay, and for blue, okay, I need the different price. So here I need the regular price to be like, we have chosen here $20. So for this, I need the regular price to be $25, because blue is a great color or something like that. Or so for this, I need the image to be changed. So if someone chooses the blue, then we want to show him this guy, because this guy is also wearing a hoodie. Not a hoodie, he's wearing a shirt, but we want to tell them that this is this is the hoodie that you were gonna get. Okay, now I'm gonna go down, and we can also add a sale price to it. Like if you buy the blue, we are selling it to you for $15. Okay, I'm just gonna come here, I'm just gonna go to the gray one right here, and the gray is basically out of stock. Okay, we have the price for it, but this is out of stock. Okay, so this is like $30. Okay, and we can also add an image. So for gray, I think we'll use this one. Let's just hit set variation image. So I'm just gonna hit save changes, and now everything is changed. I'm just gonna come here, and I'm gonna hit update right now. So you can see that the product has been updated. I'm just gonna go ahead, I'm gonna hit view product in the new tab, and let's have a look at our site. So you can see that we have these colors right here. We have zipper hoodies, and these are the product from variations that we have a sale product. That is, if I just go to the variations again, and you can see that the blue one is for 15, and the green one is for 20, and this one, which is out of stock, but this is still added, and this is 30. So if I just come here and I just hit choose options, you can see that we have green, 25 in stock, and $20. Okay, the color is same. If I just select blue, you can see 15 in stock, and the image is also changed. Okay, $15, sorry, $25 is the original price. Okay, and if I select gray, you can see this is right here. Okay, but this is showing 25 in stock. Okay, what I have to do, I have to just come here. I'm just gonna go to the inventory. Let's just click here, and let's just hit this. Okay, we don't have to select the product from here. I'm just gonna go to the variations right here, and let's select it from here. Okay, I'm just gonna come here, and I'm gonna hit update right now. So let's have a look at this. Let's just refresh this. Okay, and if I just come here and I just hit this, you can see this is added, but we chose that we don't have anything in the product. So let's just come here, let's just go down, let's just go to the variations. Okay, again, let's just come here to the gray. Okay, we have selected that this is in stock. Okay, we didn't choose the out of stock. I'm just gonna select it, and I'm gonna hit update right now again. Okay, so gray is basically out of stock. Okay, I'm just gonna come here, I'm gonna refresh this right now. Here we have this. If I choose this, you can see out of stock and I cannot buy it. This is what I wanted to show. So you can see every time I change the color, the image is also changing and everything is changing. Okay, so now we have also learned that how can we create variations for different type of products. Okay, you can also create 2 variations. I'm going to show you how can you create 2 variations in the next video. So stay tuned, guys, and in the next video we're going to learn how to create 2 variations, and then we're also going to learn what are the crib products, how can we add crib products, and then we're going to design the site. Okay, and then we're going to add some dummy products into our website, and then we're going to move forward. So stay tuned and goodbye.